Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day. Once again, this box arrived early, and I actually am so glad because also I want to wish a happy Memorial Day to everyone out there. It is a very rainy and cold Memorial Day here in where I live. It's cold today. So anyway, cold, rainy, but yesterday was a beautiful day, so we had a chance to get out on the lake, and Watson absolutely loves the boat. And so we are back home now, and it is raining. So I was so excited to find this box on the porch. And for those of you who have not already watched me, I do these Stitch Fix unboxings and try on videos. I peeked at this one, and I am so excited to try it on. If you've not already done so, please subscribe as well. So I'm going to get started, but I did want to mention that this time I asked for an outfit, and I'm actually really excited. I peeked, and I'm really excited to open this one, probably more so than I've been in a while. So let's jump right in, and I hope all of you are enjoying your long weekend. Okay, so right off the bat, it's not wrapped or anything. I'm just going to pull this out. This little purse. Okay, first of all, I'm not a big purse person, but I do love these straw bags. I think they're so cute. And this one, yeah, it has just like a little pocket inside. I don't know if you guys can see. There's like a pocket on that side with a zipper, a little pocket there. Enough room for your wallet and your cell phone. I'm excited to try this, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it because I just love it, and it's really something. And it's also a crossbody purse. See? Or a one-shoulder purse, as some call it. Okay, so anyway, I like this one. I'm probably going to keep it, but what's so fun is this. Okay, so this first top, this is by Mason and Belle. It's the Kaleem off the shoulder tie front top. I think it is so cute. Again, I'm not a big floral person, but the tie is really cute. And if you can see the color, I just love this color. I think it's so cute. My only concern, obviously, about this one is that it could be a little short, but it looks to me like it's not as short as some of the others I've tried on recently. And I just think this color is so pretty and summery, especially against the dark, rainy outdoors. Okay, the next item I am also excited about because I have been asking again for a pair of frayed hem shorts, and these ones are the STS Blue boyfriend short, it says, but I'm sure there's another long, complicated name. Eleonora. One moment. Eleonora, mid-rise short, color blue. I think they're really cute. They're exactly what I've been looking for. I will be trying those on with this shirt and this cute bag. How fun is that? So this next item is a white denim jacket. This is by Just USA. And if you can see, it has a little bit of a frayed hem on the pocket, as well as the bottom has a frayed hem. And it's a little bit cropped. So I think this is a really cute jacket. And again, I think it's going to look really cute with this whole look. Okay, last but not least, these are the Driftwood Rosamond, I think, Distress something something. Look how cute. I'm so excited. I've seen a couple people get these, and I cannot wait to try these on. I think these would be so fun if they'll fit. They look like they might be a little long because I think they're supposed to be kind of a cropped fit, but I am so excited to try these on. So I am going to try on the full outfit, and then I will try on the pants separately, but I think it probably can go with both. So I will be back. Okay. Okay, well this is going to be pretty fast because this is most of the outfit, or this is 4 of the pieces she sent. So we'll start obviously with the purse. Look how cute it is. I love it. I love that it can also, you know, go across the body. And I think it's going to be perfect for all of the things that I do outside in the summer, except for most of the things I do. Okay. So yeah, I'm excited about that purse. I already told you that. Here is the jacket. This jacket I may try on with the pants as well, but just kind of wanted to show how it looks. Again, it does have these sort of like frayed edges, I guess, on both of the pockets and then on the hem, and then that's how it looks in the back. And yeah, I think it fits very well. I like it with a little bit of a longer top usually, but and I mean, what a cute outfit. I think she did such a great job this time. So anyway, here's the jacket. Then I'll take this off. Sorry, because sometimes this shirt is malfunctioning. Okay, so here's the top. And I am trying to figure out the exact right way to wear it, but I just think the colors are so pretty. You can see them up close. Again, it's just like that, I don't even know, almost like an apricot color with cream and some yellow in it. So yeah, that's what it looks like in the back, and it does have the tie front here, but it is not cropped above my waistline. No one's going to see my skin. Generally, you just have to keep this knot tied. So I think that is really cute. I just love the color. I also do have like a kind of a cream colored lace bralette that I might try with this. And then these shorts, which I love these shorts. They're very similar to the ones I have that I wanted to get a similar pair, and now I have them. So I love these shorts, I love the shirt, I love the purse, and I love the jacket. So I'm going to try on the last item and I'll be back. Okay. Oh gosh, I love embroidered jeans. I do. And these are by Driftwood, like I said, and I think these are so cute. I love the light style, kind of that light color, and there is a little bit distressing. It's slightly above my knee, which I actually prefer because all of the ones that fall on my knee, and probably this one too, will eventually rip wide open. So there is that, but look how cute these are. These are so comfy, and I know they're supposed to be just slightly shorter, so it's almost, in some ways, it's not a kick flare by any means, but it's just more of a straight leg style, and I really like that. So this is what they look like all the way around. They're very comfortable, they fit well, and I think, you know, they're pretty neutral, so I really like them. Actually, I'm going to go grab the jacket and the purse because I think they would also look well with these jeans. One sec. Okay, so here it is with the jacket and the purse. So she completely sent 2 full outfits in one fix, if not more, once you mix and match some of the other pieces. So I am really thrilled with this fix. I've had a lot of fun trying it on. I like all of the things. The only thing I will say right now is that I am starting to think that, you know, spending any more money on summer clothes is not the best idea because it's just cold all the time in Minnesota lately. We will be back for the wrap up. Okay, so you saw all the pieces, and this was a faster try on than normal because my stylist did such an amazing job of sending me a couple of different outfits so that I could do a quick try on also. So this is a style card. If you've not already seen this, this is where your stylist will send pictures of the items and include suggestions for how to wear them. And then that's where you get to read your note. So this is the pricing sheet, the important part. So I'm going to quickly go through the prices on everything. The first thing are these STS Blue Eleonora mid-rise short. These are $39. So I think that's a pretty good price, especially for Stitch Fix denim. And I really like these, so I am keeping these. $39 on those. The next item is actually the item that I'm wearing right now, the Driftwood Rosamond Distressed Embroidered Jeans. Excuse me. These are size 0, and they are $118. So they are a little expensive, but I just think it's so cute. I love these, and they're so comfy, and I'm completely getting them. There's no question. And even if no one else likes them, I do. Okay. So the next one that's on here is this purse. This is by Soul Society, the Piper or Pipper Straw something something. Canteen Purse, I think it says. So anyway, really cute. I gotta fix this strap. There's like a connector here. Sorry. I'm gonna have to figure out how to work with this. But that doesn't seem to want to stay. Anyway, I really like this purse. I think it's cute and I know I'll use it, so I'm keeping that. And did I say already that is $44? But, okay. I just don't usually buy purses, so sadly that seems like a lot to me. Okay, the next one is this Mason & Belle Kaleem off the shoulder tie knit top. This actually says it's in dark pink. I would call this more of a, I don't even know, almost a corally color in some ways. So, and this one is $42, and it's so summery and pretty, and I love it, so I'm planning on getting that one. And then the last item on here is this Just USA. It's the Jana frayed trim cropped denim jacket in white, and this one is $64. So I also like this one. I think the price is pretty decent compared to other jackets. Again, it's Stitch Fix. So other than the pants this fix, like this was one of my better priced fixes. And of course, I love everything. So my total would have come to $307, but with the discount, with the buy all discount, it will come to $230.25. So that's a little much, but look at all the items I'm getting, and I know that I'll be able to use each one of them more than once. But I also have 2 complete outfits right here. So this was really fun. For those of you who have not watched my videos before, please go ahead and subscribe if you've not already done so. And also feel free to ask questions or give suggestions. I love doing these videos because I love watching other people do them. And I do know that when I see other people try on clothes, that gives me some ideas of what to ask for. And so if you have any questions about anything, I am happy to share information. And I hope you all have a great Memorial Day, whatever weather you're in. And have a great week, and I will see you soon, but not too soon.